Hello all. Any YouTube shot, can we add the custom thumbnail? It option is a possible or not? Yes, it is a possible. How to you can update your particular video adding for custom thumbnail for YouTube Shorts option. Go to weekend YouTube Shorts will be here. Particular Shorts. In a particular Shorts, I can go to YouTube channel. Click for edit option will be here, but they are unable to. For now, you can't change the thumbnail on your short. So how it is possible change your short image on your particular one? That is called, we can go option name is called mobile device. What are the image you can change will be here. Click this. This option name is called YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, what are the video you can edit it? Click this option will be here in content option. Click for edit video. In edit video, click the image edit. Here, select by the custom thumbnail. Select your thumbnail option will be here and click for done. The image will be 1080 into 1920 pixel. Click for save it. After save this one, we can see how we can visible to the users. Refresh. They will show will be here is the image option. So it is going to the large image option will be here. So we can go with the refresh by this. So it is a save. Clearly check it. It is a save option. And we can call for refresh. After refresh, the image can will be changed on this headline for the after some time. So that will be using for your particular option will be using this option. So suppose I don't have any design image will be there. What will happen? When click here, edit, click for edit option, which is they will be show 4 5 images will be here. Which image will be flexible? Add this particular images. So here is that image will be here is the option. This will be download thumbnail, download thumbnail, download thumbnail. So we can using for done and click for save. After this, they will show will be like this here. And after this, they will be show your particular YouTube channel option. Anyone asking interview question, can I change the custom thumbnail for YouTube short video? Yes, it is possible. That only for mobile device. That only for mobile device possible for adding for custom thumbnail for YouTube Shorts. So if any further question about YouTube Shorts, please contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.